Good morning, students. Today we are going to start section number 2, Basics about CSS, where CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It provides an easy and effective alternate to specify various attributes for HTML tags. Using CSS, you can specify a number of style properties for a given HTML element. Each property has a name and a value separated by a colon. Each property declaration is separated by a semicolon. Now let's discuss some advantages of CSS. CSS saves time. You can write CSS once and then reuse same sheet in multiple HTML pages. Second, pages load faster. If you are using CSS, you do not need to write HTML tag attribute every time. Just write once CSS rule of a tag and apply it to all the occurrence of that tag. So less code means faster download times. Third, we'll discuss about easy maintenance. To make a global change, simply change the style and all elements in all the web pages will be updated automatically. Next is superior styles to HTML. CSS has a much wider array of attributes than HTML. So you can give far better look to your HTML pages. Next, multiple device compatibility. Style sheets allow content to be optimized for more than one type of device. By using the same HTML document, different versions of website can be presented for handheld devices such as PDAs and cell phones or for printing. Next is that means next advantage is global web standards. Now HTML attributes are being depreciated and it is being recommended to use CSS. So it's a good idea to start using CSS in all the HTML pages to make them compatible for future browsers. So let's consider one example here which is written in HTML. You can see here these codes for HTML. I've given here head and title is given here. I'm using font tag with these two attributes, that is color and size, and I want to print hello world. So its output is like this. It will show hello world like this. Now same code we will be writing in CSS. Removing this, instead of this I will introduce style here. P style equal to color, and I'm giving green color, semicolon, font hyphen size. I'm giving size equal to 24 pixels, and then I'm going to print this hello world. Now this font tag is not required because we've already written style is equal to. I'm saving this document and refresh the screen, and you can see here this color changed to green with font size 24 pixels. We can use CSS in three ways in our HTML document. External style sheet, which defines rules in a separate CSS file and then include file in our HTML document. Second is internal style sheet. It defines rules in header section of HTML document using style tag. Inline style sheet specifies the rules with HTML elements using style attribute. Now here is an example of external style sheet. I've made this file style.css, and here you can see for body I am using this code, that is background hyphen color light blue, and for heading 1 I'm using color navy, that is navy blue, and margin left will be 20 pixels. And in a similar manner, I've used one first.html where I have included this, that is mystyle.css, and this is the path, that is on desktop. I've placed this file. href is a hyperlink reference, its type is text oblique css, and relation is style sheet. So I've linked this. Rest all codes you must be knowing that it is HTML. Under heading we will be placing this tag, and now after heading I'm starting this body section where I will be using h1. Settings for h1 will be imported from this file, that is style.css, this thing, these settings. And then for paragraph there are no settings yet, but for body we have applied one setting, that is background color light blue. So I've saved this file for you, and this will be output where heading is navy and background color is sky blue. Now I have changed this code. This is internal CSS. In this style I have used this code, and I have embedded this within head. You can see here head is starting here and ending here. Same code which was in external link, that have written here. A little bit changes I've made, like a background color will be of linen color here body, and then h1 will be of maroon, and then margin left will be 40 pixels. Rest all code is same within the body. Here you can see this is body. I've saved this file here, and let's check. Now you can see here that this is the heading color, that is maroon, and this is the linen for background color. Now here we've got third style, that is inline. Wherever we want to have a change, we will be placing this inline style. You can check for h1 style is equal to color blue, text align will be center, and for paragraph I've changed color to red. So let's save it and find out that here you can see that this is in blue color and this is in red, and this is center aligned.